This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Judy Gonski. Completely renovated, from top to bottom. Moved and ready 2 bedrooms, 2 bath in the desirable community of Oaks 3, located in the heart of Port Charlotte. First floor, open floor plan offers 899 square feet of living space. Upon entering this condo, you will be greeted by the living room and dining room. Entertain in the spacious living/dining area with sliders out to the screened-in lanai. The kitchen boasts plenty of cabinet and counter space. Very roomy master bedroom and master bathroom. Lovely guest bedroom with new bedroom furniture. Living is easy in this turnkey furnished and well-maintained condo with community saltwater pool, bocce ball courts, shuffleboard, and recreation building that overlooks a lake with fountain. Not in flood zone. Near hospitals/medical care, dining, boat ramps, fishing piers, shopping, and much more. Publix, the Charlotte County Library and the YMCA are only a short walking distance from the community. Only a short 30-minute drive to some of Florida's most pristine beaches. Come check it out today, this won't last long. For more information, review the details below.